SMA, I've listened to it now 3 to 4 times. And I really love going back and listening because there's always a new nugget I pick up about myself. So I will listen to Maverick, Ruler, and Accumulator. And it really helps me to either see where I might be sabotaging myself or, what I get to look out for. Or I'll just hear a nugget of like, I think last time I was listening and you had said something about Mavericks, just like making up whatever you want to do for your business. And I was like, yeah, I love that. Like, who said I have to do X, Y, Z? So for me, SMA has been such a nice way to round out Money Bootcamp because I'm really learning about myself and how to dig in deeper. And there's always layers, and I think you talk about this too, Denise. There's always more layers. So I like it as a resource to just go back to and pull out the next nugget that I'm ready to hear and implement in my life.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.